Here I want to show you some tricks with working guides. Some really interesting things you can do to help yourself when you're trying to create some things in Photoshop. The first thing, you have to make sure the ruler is showing, so just click Ctrl R or Command R. You can click on ruler, pull down guide to position where you want. Let's go to clear all of these guides. If you want a guides in the specific place, choose new guides. If you want to put the guide in the center, just click 50% in this box. Can also create a new guide layout. I want 8 column. I don't want a header. We have a lot of different options. When you finish, just click OK. Then you have all of those guides. Let's go to clear all of these guides. But now I want to show you how we can make guides by using shapes. If you have a shape that you have created, you wanna use a kind of references for your guides. Go back and choose new guides from shape. And I'm going to delete the shape. And you can see now we have guide from on shape.